Okay, I've cleaned the other valve, so the valve is clean. Tappet cover is now clean. This what you see is rust. So and it's rubber. So it's now nice and clean. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to the carburetor. Filthy, most complex part of the entire engine. So yeah, I mean, you can see this stuff is bad. So, wish me luck. Okay, now it's for cleaning the carburetor. So, let's come together with our biggest fear. Not bad. See? Not so bad. Floatants all look nice. After all, it is just filthy on the outside. And that's not that. I'm happy about that. Exactly like that. So yeah, no. Okay, starting to clean this stuff. This nasty, I don't know what it is. It's oil, sand, and who knows what. Stuff over the years of this little thing's life. So yeah. Okay. I've closed the bottom tank of the carburetor. This is the throttle valve. That side. But it is very, very filthy inside. So just put all the little parts over there. I'm not sure how on earth I'm gonna clean this thing inside. That is bad. So this is, I hope it's the best way. It's working. And that all. Whoa! What is that? Something break. Oh, never mind. Not too bad. It's more cleanish now. So let's clean this rusty little part over there. Put this knife. Let's scrub it, whatever word it is. Clean. Give her not a scratch over here. Okay, it's just against the hair folder, but still, don't want that to be scratched entirely. In case you want to make it airtight. But anyway, now it's not a dialogue. Now it's filthy, whatever. So let's pull. You see, still a bunch of rusty stuff laying on in the whole carburetor. I don't know if you can see. Well, I can't even see, but I hope it works. What? The thing can turn around. Oh no. It can't. I was wrong. Whoever invented it was right. Okay. That is pretty much clean as it will get from a quick perspective. Let's put this little thing, whatever it is, back in its place. Oh, sorry. There. Let's tighten that up. So, wait a minute. Don't tell me this is the... Oh no, not so deep. Okay. Clean this stuff. And yeah, let's hope for the best. Okay. Okay, gonna go so far. This must go in there far deep. So now I am going to struggle, not even a little bit. Whew. How on earth am I supposed to get that little tiny simple dumb screw into this thing's butt? What? It actually falls into place? What a great invention. Okay, little screw going. What? The little screw has gone into place. It... Yo! Watch. Now this... I surely must be a master at this stuff. Woo! No wonder I love it. By the way, guys, you must tell me what you think I must do, and I will consider it, and I will maybe try it. And yeah, all for now. But I'm gonna put the thing together. Oh no! Wait, just a bit. Here is the gasket. I'm gonna clean this stuff, make this with the place. All the carbon. Clean. Voila!